Hey Dewdrops, it's Diane from Coravina. How are you? Welcome back. Today is Thursday and we're having Bird Week here this week. We did Tuesday, we did a yellow canary that was super sweet. And then yesterday we did a scarf inspired by this sweet little bluebird. It was blue and white. And this is our scarf from yesterday. Isn't that cute? We've got lots of shades of dusty blue, navy, some classic blue, and gray and white mixed in there. I love how it turned out. It does seem a little wintry instead of springy, so it'll be really good this fall. Hey Barb! Barb Stutz is here. Glad to see you. So this is what we made yesterday. So today, I know I'm moving right into it, I know. We're gonna make a scarf using water marbling, same as we do every day live at 5. We're gonna drop paints onto the surface of the water and end up with a beautiful scarf by the end of the day, okay? So we had option number 2, which was this teal, white, and black bird, or option number 1, and then option number 2 is the light gray, pink bird. I don't know what either one of these birds are, they're both beautiful. But you guys really threw me for a loop. I'm going through, counting everything up. 19 to 19 is the score. And then there was one comment that got hidden for some reason, I'm not sure. I opened it and it said, both! So I guess it's a sign. We're supposed to do both, we're gonna do both. So we're gonna get started today. I'm making 2 scarves. One is gonna be regular size, one is going to be a petite scarf because I'm actually running out of inventory. I didn't realize it, I thought I was fine. So we're gonna get creative, I think. All right, so first up, we're gonna do option number 2. Okay, so we're gonna do pinks and grays. Let me put this blue scarf away here. For the main body of this bird, I've got 2 different pinks here. There you go. I think they're gonna look good. I have got a light, very pale pink to mix in there. And then this bird is, I think the bird's a little weird, to be honest with you, because it has almost no color on the beak or in the eyes. You know, no extra color. So we've got grays here. Mary Alice, yes! Mary Alice, we're gonna do both. It was such a close call. You guys are so funny. So we're gonna go ahead and do both. Yay, pink. All right, I'm gonna clean my tray to make sure we've got all our dust and debris out of the way, and we're gonna get going. Hey, Anna! Anna just signed on. Hope you're doing well up in Springboro. All right. We're cleaning our tray. And we're gonna get started here. It's another, I don't know, I'm distracted this week. I really have no idea what we're gonna do for either one of these scarves, so we're just gonna get going, okay? All right, here we go. Anna, we're doing 2 today. Gonna do both of them. You can see my handsome little helper down there. Yeah, I told him he wasn't gonna be on camera. I know it is. Okay, so we clean our tray. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna work on option number 2 first. And we're gonna do it the same way we always do it, with a line straight down the center of the tray. At a nice and slow pace. So the weather's really got kind of cloudy and rainy here earlier. Nothing too bad. I think some people got hail out in Indiana. We didn't get any hail. Lightning and thunder, but for severe storms it was pretty mild. Adding some more pink. Light pink, light pink, light pink. And then what should we do here? I can't decide. I think we will do, let's start with this darker pink. This one might be spreading a bit. We'll see how that goes. Maybe we'll go in lines today. It's always fun. I'm liking it. I'm gonna come in with our softer pink and and drop it in between, and then we'll work our shades of gray. Here. I'm all tucked out today, guys. I'm not sure why. Everything's going well.
Maybe because you got a lot of stuff.
I have been busy today, haven't I, buddy?
Yep.
Yep, I've been busy.
I'm the one doing this.
And you're my helper today. That's right, sir.
And I'm baking.
Alright, so with our gray, I'm going to go ahead and drop it in between. I've been playing around with other paints. I think I've got a good paint to do some new stuff with. I'm very excited about it. I'll let you guys know more about that as soon as I'm sure it will work. I'm always working on something. I always am. Okay, buddy, will you please stop playing the drums on my table? Alright, we're going to come back in. Drop some more of our paint. I can see that gray really spread. I don't really like that. We'll thicken that up. Ooh-wee, that really spread.
I like chocolate.
Okay, so we do have, we're gaining members for our group. Yay, new people. So if you're new and you're joining us for the first time, you are watching me make a water marbled scarf. It's this really cool process of floating ink or paint on the surface of water. And then we're gonna move our paint around with tools and end up with a one-of-a-kind scarf in just a few minutes. And you're here on a great day. The voting was so close. It was, in fact, even. That we are going to make 2 scarves today. We're going to do both the bird scarves that were pictured. This doesn't happen all the time, but I like that you guys like doing this as much as I do. So when we can, we do extra. Okay, let's see what's up. That gray like spread like crazy. Just different personalities in the paints. We're going to fill in some areas here. Anybody doing anything good? Had a pretty laid back day. Like making a list of all the things I need to get out and do instead of actually doing them as far as like the house goes. Alright, so we have this gray too that was kind of an accent, like this really dark one. So I think, you know what, I'll put it right next to the hot pink line. See what that does. Maybe. Just a couple of little dots. So for people just signing on, we are doing scarf number 2, the pink bird scarf, but have no fear. We are also going to do scarf number 1. The voting was exactly tied today. And when I found a tiebreaker, it said both. So I'm taking that as a sign. We're going to do 2 today. All right. Come on, stubborn bottle. And let's just thicken up a little bit more of this hot pink paint. Looking a little crazy in the tray today. I think it's going to be fine though. No worries. Definitely think it's time for me to move my tools around the tray here. Alright guys. Here we go, we got our tool in the tray. We're gonna move it around and you can see our patterns start to shift. Isn't that fun? Leave it alone. like this a lot. I think it looks interesting. I'm gonna look at our bird picture again here. I feel like I just did one like this. Okay, so let's do something a little bit different. Okay, I'm gonna come in with a tool. And we're gonna just do some circles. Isn't that interesting how the paint just moves on the surface right where our tool is? I think this will add a little fun flair to our scarf today. What do you think, buddy? Interesting? I think it is interesting. All right, guys. Anna says she loves the swirl pattern. Thank you, Anna. All right, so you are going to hold it. Hold your corners. Don't touch the sides of the tray. Okay? You got it. All right, guys, I've got my special helper here.
Of course I'm got this because I have to know what the...
You're good. All right, are you ready, buddy?
Yep.
But don't touch the sides of the tray. Down we go. Excellent job. Thank you, Gage. You're such a big helper. You can go upstairs now if you want to. He wants to stay.
Yeah,
okay,
I want to stay
that's
with the rest
good.
of the...
Bubby's here.
Bubby.
You gotta. All right, guys. Small crowd today. That's all right. Everybody's getting out, enjoying that sunshine while it's still here.
Yep.
Okay, so we just did option number 2, the pink bird. Okay. We're gonna pull it out of the water here, see what we've got. We're gonna see dripping and running. That is for sure. You can pull out one end if you want. Like, we're gonna pull from the top up. So this side. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ooh, dripping and running, dripping and running. But that's okay. I like it. I think it looks like the pink bird. Okay. Ooh, you can see how bad that pink is running.